First go to the assembly and insert our components to be made. So browse our components and select the component hinge M2 and click OK. Open the component and place it. And then we need one more component, so go to the insert components and select the insert and browse our component and select the required component and place it. After that we are going to mate. Select the mechanical mates. Inside the mechanical mates we have to select a hinge mate, and then we have two portions, concentric selection and coincident selection. First we have select the concentric selection of cylindrical faces and then select a coincident faces. Now our mate is ready. Exit from the mate and we have to make a part 1 as a float and fix a center component. Then we have to drag. Now the hinge mate is ready. To get the regular updates of my video,